So here we will discuss about the antifungal agent. First antifungal agent is natamycin. Natamycin is also known as a pimramycin, pimarimycin. Pimaricin is an antifungal antibiotic used to treat fungal infection around the eye. This include infection of eye, conjunctivitis and cornea. It is also used as an eye drop and you also used in the food industry as a preservative. The structure of nitromycin is as follows, and the mechanism of action is of nitromycin is that the nitromycin bind to the ergosterol in fungal cell membrane by forming pores in the cell membrane and forming and produces leak the leak the content out as cell content out, ultimately causes cell death or fungistatic or fungicidal effect. So next drug is glycofulvin. Glycofulvin is a medication used to treat dermatophytosis, that is ringworm. This includes fungal infection of the nails and scalp as well as skin. When antifungal cream have not worked, then this is used. So the structure of glycofulvin is as follows. Mechanism of glycofulvin mainly inhibit the tubulin protein, which inhibit the mitotic spindle formation, result in the suppression of daughter nuclei and ultimately produces the fungistatic effect. Next, synthetic antifungal agent. The first drug of synthetic antifungal agent is clotrimazole. Clotrimazole is used to treat oral thrush, diaper rash, pityriasis, versicolor, and types of ringworm, including athlete's foot, jack, itch, etc. Mechanism of action of clotrimazole inhibit fungal cytochrome P450 enzyme, that is alpha dimethylase, which is responsible for converting the lanosterol to ergosterol. So by inhibiting the enzyme alpha dimethylase, the main sterol in fungal cell membrane is ergosterol, which is ultimately inhibited, and that's why this disruption of membrane cell occur and increases the permeability of the cell membrane and produces fungicidal or fungistatic effect. Structure of the clotrimazole is as follows. Next drug is iconazole. Iconazole is also an antifungal medication of imidazole class derivative. The structure is as follows and mechanism of action is as same as clotrimazole, so that it also inhibit the synthesis of ergosterol from lanosterol by inhibiting the enzyme alpha demethylase. The uses of iconazole to treat skin infection, athlete foot, jack itch, ringworm, tinea versicolor. Tinea versicolor is a fungal disorder that discolor the skin and yeast infection also. Butoconazole. Butoconazole is also an imidazole derivative used to treat gynecological disorder like vaginal yeast infection, vaginal burning, itching, discharge. So this medication works by stopping the growth of yeast, causes the fungal infection. Next, the structure of butoconazole is as follows, and the mechanism of butoconazole is also same as clotrimazole, that is, it also inhibits the enzyme demethylase. Next drug is oxyconazole. Oxyconazole is an antifungal medication typically administered in a cream or lotion to treat skin infection like athlete foot, jack itch, ringworm. It can also prescribe to treat skin rash known as versicolor caused by systemic yeast overgrowth. The structure of oxyconazole is as follows. Next drug is tioconazole. Tioconazole is an antifungal medication of the imidazole class used to treat infection caused by the fungal or yeast. So the Tioconazole ointments serve to treat women's vaginal yeast infection. Structure is as follows and mechanism of action is as same as clotrimazole. So that is inhibited the enzyme alpha demethylase. Miconazole. Next, antifungal medication used to treat ringworm, pityriasis, versicolor and yeast infection of the skin or vagina. It is also used to treat ringworm of the body, grain and feed. So, and mechanism of action is also inhibit the enzyme alpha demethylase. By enzyme inhibiting the enzyme alpha demethylase, it stop the synthesis of ergosterol from lanosterol and ultimately produces the fungicidal or fungistatic effect. So the synthesis of miconazole is as follows. When imidazole derivative react with 2,3 dichloro benzo benzoyl bromine and produces an intermediate which on reduction with NaBH4 produces miconazole intermediate. Upon upon reaction with 2,3 dichloro methyl bromobenzene, it will get converted into miconazole. So next drug is ketoconazole. Ketoconazole, it is an antifungal medication used to treat a number of infection like skin infection such as tinea cutaneous, candidiasis, pityriasis, versicolor, dandruff. Mechanism of action SMS like also inhibit the alpha demethylase enzyme. Structure is as follows. Next drug is terconazole. It is an also antifungal drug used to treat vaginal yeast infection. It comes used as a lotion or suppository and disrupt the biosynthesis of the fat in a yeast cell. So the structure of terconazole is as follows and mechanism of action is as same as clotrimazole, that is also inhibit the synthesis of ergosterol by inhibiting the enzyme alpha demethylase. Itraconazole is an antifungal medication used to treat a number of fungal infections. This includes aspergillosis, blastomycosis, coccidiomycosis, histoplasmosis, and paracoccidiomycosis. It may be given by mouth or IV. Structure of itraconazole is as follow. Next, fluconazole. Fluconazole to treat number of fungal infection like candidiasis, blastomycosis, cryptopsychosis, histoplasmosis, dermatophytosis, and pityriasis versicolor. Structure is as same. Structure is as follows, and the mechanism of action is as same as clotrimazole. Naftifine hydrochloride is an allyl amine antifungal drug for the topical treatment of the Padis tinea cruris, tinea corporis infection, that is fungal infection. It has triple action: antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial. So naftifine hydrochloride have triple action, that is antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial. And the synthesis mechanism of naphthalene hydrochloride, it inhibit the enzyme squalene 2,3 oxidase. So the formation of squalene to lanosterol formation is stopped. So when lanosterol not synthesized, so ultimately it stop the synthesis of ergosterol and ultimately produces the fungicidal or fungistatic effect. Next drug is tolnafat. Tolnafat is effective for the treatment of most cutaneous mycosis, replacement of complete toluene group by an alpha or beta naphthalate substituent does not decrease potency. Replacement of aromatic methyl group by hydroxy or methoxy or its removal does not affect potency. Structure is as same as naphthalene and synthesis is when two naphthol react with thiophosgene gas, so it produces alpha naphthalene 2-il. So जो alpha naphthalene 2-il further react with N-methyl 3 toluidine to form tolnafat. So the uses of naptipine hydrochloride is as same as other antifungal agent used as an fungicidal agent used in the treatment of candidiasis and jaw foot and ringworm infection. Thank you.